What's going on, guys? Got a dryer that when you press start, it just turns right back off. So let's see what it does. Got it set to more dry. Press start. Now an easy way to tell if maybe your belt's broke, you want to open this up and then you can hold your door switch in and press start, and let's see if the drum turns. Hold the button in, press start. So you can hear the motors turning, but no drum. So it tells me we got a broken belt. And the light bulb's burned out too inside the dryer. We'll swap that out too. So go ahead and turn that timer off, unplug it. And now I'm gonna pull the top off. 2 screws, one there, and then we'll lift the top off, and there'll be 2 more screws on the inside. Pull the front cover off and swap out the belt. Right here's a new belt, GE WE12M29 for a GE electric dryer. Okay, we got the screw out there and that one out right there. So now we can lift the top, lift that up like this, slide it to the left a little bit, and then lift it off. And as you can see, no belt. So now we're going to take out this screw here and this one right here. Okay, we got that screw out. That one there. Go ahead and let it tilt forward. And then you can lift it up off. You just want to be careful, your wires here. You can unplug this. Move your plastic out of the way. And then you want to unhook the brown wire and the white wire for your door switch. Okay, lift that up. Then you can set this aside. Just like that. And here's our broken belt. This broken belt. So, wow, a lot of lint. I'll try to clean some of this up first before we put the new belt on. Okay, so while we have the front panel off, I'm going to put the new light bulb in. Let's see, get some of this lint out of here. And there's our socket. Yeah, you can see all the lint down here where the lint trap is, comes down. So I'm going to get all that out of there, get all the lint out from underneath here, and we'll check inside the blower wheel and make sure the vent pipe on the back's clear out as well. And we'll throw the belt on. Alright, we've got all the lint cleaned up, cleaned out the hose in the back as well. Got the new belt laid around the drum, slid it in place. Now it's hard to see how the belt goes on here. On the motor pulley first. And then when it comes back up, you put it on your pulley right here. See what that looks like. Got the belt twisted on me. Come up here, turn it. Don't want it to be twisted. Okay, and then you can release the pulley to put the tension on it. Got it. then what you want to do is make sure the belt just follows the old marking from the old belt. It's pretty good. Okay. Let's get the flashlight out of there. We'll get ready to put the front cover back on. We'll put our 2 screws back in here. Hook up our door switch and the power for our light bulb, and we'll test it out. Okay, once you set your front down, make sure each little metal piece comes up through the openings. Tilt it forward. Then you want to lift the drum up and bring it over top, and then line up each end panel. A little piece there goes into the groove down there, and we'll put the screws in. And before you close the front here and have it in place, put the screws in, don't forget, hook up your wires for your door switch and your light socket. Alright, got the front panel lined up, screws are back both sides. Now get ready to plug it in, we'll test it out. If it's all good, then we'll throw the top on. Alright, we got it plugged back in. Ready to turn it on, test it out. Make sure our light's working now since we replaced the bulb. Good to go. Cleaned out all the lint. So now all we gotta do is throw the top on. Good to go. So if you have a dryer, you push start and it sounds like it turns on but then shuts off right after you let go of the start button. More than likely it's a belt, but to confirm it, you can always open the door, hold in your door switch, and then reach up, press start as you're holding in the door switch. And if the drum's not turning but you hear the motor running, you know for sure you got a broken belt. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.